Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the Military Mom, and in this video I have a follow-up, I have a quick unboxing, and a couple of other things that I want to share with you. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is this. As you all know, I buy a lot of bags from eBay, either pre-loved or brand new, and those bags come with a lot of paper. But I do not like to stuff my bags with paper. And I think that goes back to my upbringing. I was brought up in the South, and in the South, you do not want a lot of paper around your place because paper breeds bugs. I don't have any bugs in my place, and I want to keep it that way. So in my mind, I'm like, yeah, I need to get rid of this paper. I do not like to stuff my bags with paper. So what I do is I get rid of the paper and replace it with something like air pillows or bubble wrap, or even Rosalind Ellis shared a tip where she stuffs her bags with pool noodles from the Dollar Tree. I have tried that as well. Anything to keep from, using a lot of paper. So even the Dooney and Burke paper has to go. How do you all feel? What do you all use to stuff your bags? Do you keep the original packaging in your bags? Do you use air pillows, bubble wrap? Let me know in the comments. I would love your take. But this is, this has got to go. All right. Now, the follow-up that I wanted to bring to you all involves this little Steve Madden satchel, because I had revealed in the video where I showed this bag originally that I honestly wasn't sure why this was a must-have. This is a bag that I kept seeing over and over at TJ Maxx, and finally I broke down and bought it. And I think the reason that I was drawn to it, other than of course the texture, is that it reminded me of another bag, a bag from my childhood that I happen to have, and that is this bag. You all, this is an eel skin bag that belonged to my mother, who has passed away. My mom carried this bag ever since I can remember. This bag is well over 45 years old. I just remember this bag always being at the house. And this was the bag that Mommy would carry when she was really dressing up. She had a pair of eelskin pumps that matched this bag. And I think that is the reason that I was drawn to this little satchel, because it reminded me of this eelskin bag. Even though this satchel, I don't think the satchel's gonna last 45 years, but I think that's why I purchased it, because in my mind it reminded me of this bag that my mom would carry. And when Mommy pulled out this bag, she was going somewhere special. This was not a work bag. I don't even think Mommy carried this to church. I'm trying to remember. She may have carried it to church if there was a special occasion like the church and pastor's anniversary, but just not on a normal Sunday. And you can see the wear there on the corners, but I personally think it looks pretty good for its age. I took it to a leather shop to see if they could do anything about the darkness on the handles and to restore it, because you can see that it is wearing pretty heavily on the corners. There's nothing wrong with the interior of the bag. At all. It's a 2-compartment bag. But I think for as old as it is, it's held up pretty well, considering we have Dooney and Burke bags that are failing before they can even get to Disney World. But that is not normal for Dooney and Burke either. I don't have a lot of Dooney and Burke bags that have failed. I don't know if you all do either, but I do know of 1 or 2 occasions where Dooney has failed on some handbaggers. But yeah, this bag is, for its age, it's in excellent condition. So I would love to have it restored, but the leather craftsman said that eel skin is very thin. It's pretty hard to work with. So because it's thin, any stains are pretty difficult to remove. So I don't hold out much hope that this bag can be restored. But it is a memory of my beloved mother, more beloved than Dooney and Burke, let me tell you. Let me take off my glasses. Do you all see any resemblance between my mom and I? This is the woman who, some mothers, all mothers have a part of their personality that can be considered a storm. Some mothers have quiet storm, some mothers are a rainstorm. This one was a thunderstorm. But she was the best mom ever, 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 ever. Love you, mommy. You were the best. All right, so that was the follow-up. Let me get on with the unboxing. This is, gee, can you guess where it may have come from? Well, you never know at the duck's nest, right? But par for the course, this is an eBay purchase. So this is how the seller packaged this item. And this is nothing fancy or exciting. It's just a Coach City tote. So the seller did give it some weather protection. And this City tote is reversible. So this is the signature side in khaki. And this was NWT. And Coach is trying to make us believe that the MSRP on this PVC tote is $350. Really? Yeah, I think I paid like $100 for this bag. So the exterior here is khaki, and the other side of this reversible tote is the reason that I purchased it. It is this beautiful, like French vanilla color. It is just really, really pretty. And I didn't have a tote in any light color like this. No white tote, no bone, no tote in the color bone. So I fell in love with the French vanilla color of the interior. The hardware on this is silver, and that was another reason I purchased it, because I do not have a lot of bags with silver hardware. And of course, the Coach City totes in PVC have this removable pouch, because there is no, obviously, because it's reversible, there is no organization on the bag whatsoever. So Coach has included this corner zip pouch. And did I mention that this was new with tags? If not, you can see all the tags are attached. Let me tell you all why I love these totes. I have 3 of them. This makes my 3rd one. I love these totes for a couple of reasons. First and foremost, even though the straps are thin, I love the fact that the straps stay on my shoulder. All of the straps, all of the bags stay put. Once, and of course they pass the elbow test, but once I position these little thin straps, I don't have to worry about it. They pretty much do not slip or fall regardless of the material I'm wearing. I really like the fact that the straps stay on my shoulder, and I like the fact that these are PVC, so rain, snow, whatever you can throw at it, it handles. This bag, because it is reversible, does not have any type of closure, so it's a very easy bag to carry. It's what I call a throw and go. You just throw your items in here and go. It is under your arm, so this is your security. Your arm is your security. But yeah, I really like these totes. I have this one, of course. I have my Miss Pac-Man, which reverses to a beautiful blue, and then I have a silver metallic. I have a signature in silver metallic that reverses to a silver. So this is evidently a silhouette by Coach that I really like, because this is my third one, and I like the fact that the vanilla works well with the khaki. So of course, because it's a tote, it holds a lot and very lightweight. Even when your things are in it, it just doesn't weigh down. Even with these relatively thin straps, it's a pretty easy carry. So I am really excited, believe it or not, about this little PVC tote, because I really enjoy carrying these, and there's not hardly any hardware on this bag. Just easy breezy. All right, handbaggers, there you have it, my follow-up. And before I close, I want to thank a very special group of viewers. I like to thank all my viewers, but this is a group who, even though I unbox a lot of bags from eBay, either pre-loved or new with tags, these viewers will stop by when they wouldn't be caught dead carrying a pre-loved bag. I know there are those of you out there who stop by my channel, who've actually subscribed to my channel, who do not carry pre-loved bags, and that is very special to me. I really thank you all for dropping by to see what's gonna pop up next at the Duck's Nest, and I can understand and appreciate and respect the fact that yeah, you don't carry pre-loved bags, but you will watch videos of others who unbox their pre-loved bags. So that special group of viewers and subscribers, thank you so much. All right, that is about all that I have to share with you. So I am going to thank everyone for dropping by the Duck's Nest, and as always, happy carrying.